Welcome to this detailed guide on logging into the FireWeb mobile application. In this video, we will cover the following topics: how to log into the app and choose the right organization domain, and how to access and update your profile settings. Here's how it works. Once you have downloaded the mobile app from your Play Store or App Store, open the app by clicking on the FireWeb App icon. This will lead you to a page where you can select your desired organization from the drop-down menu. Once selected, press Continue to proceed. On the login page, enter your registered email address and password in the appropriate fields. Then, tap the Login to your account button. Should your organization utilize single sign-on with Google or Microsoft, you will be redirected to the respective login page for that service to complete your authentication. Upon successful credential verification and completion of any single sign-on steps, you will be directed to an authorization page. To proceed, press the Allow button. This action will grant the application necessary permissions and open the app to your home page. To personalize your profile settings on the app, tap the Settings module from the home screen, or press the Options icon in the top left-hand corner of the screen and select Settings. From here, select User Settings. On this page, you are presented with several options. You can customize your location, which will become your default location when creating incidents. If your organization utilizes the camera and alarm functionalities, this feature is also leveraged to calculate distance and bearing from alarms and cameras. To do this, select the Change button. This will present you with a GIS-enabled map, where you can manually select a location by pressing anywhere on the map. Or you can select the location icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen to automatically select your current location. Once selected, press OK. This custom location can be removed or changed at any time by selecting the corresponding option. You can adjust your default date range, which will be used when listing app contents, by selecting an option from the corresponding drop-down list. To receive notifications from the app, select the toggle to activate them. If you'd like to disable application notifications, deselect the toggle. Lastly, you have the option to specify the regions of interest from which you will receive notifications. For an in-depth look at regions of interest, see our video tutorial on configuring them in the mobile application. To exit the profile settings and go back to the home screen, press the arrow button in the top left-hand corner of the screen, and then select Home from the menu options.